Maharashtra 10th Geography Important Question Paper May 2021. Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am Vamsi Krishna. In this video, I am going to tell a very important topic, very important subject, that's going to be the geography. Geography, Maharashtra 10th class Geography question paper May 2021. Hello friends. Now in this video, this is going to be very important to each and every student. Geography paper is very important to each and every student, my dear friends. I suggest each and every student, all the students, first watch the video completely so that you can have a perfect concept, idea in which what kind of questions may appear in the public exams. For the May 2021 Geography paper of Maharashtra 10th class, what are the important questions in which the students need to prepare first? What are the important concepts? What are the important topics? Which chapter, in which lesson in the geography paper, in which chapter and the which lesson student need to understand, student need to concentrate well. The first most important point I want to say is geography paper is very important, but the students should not learn or should not by heart. Learning means understanding the chapter, understanding the lesson. If the students are able to understand the chapter and the lesson, it is very easy for any student to get a good marks in the public examinations without any doubt. For May 2021 geography paper, definitely students need to practice well. There are some objective type in geography paper of Maharashtra for May 2021 of 10th class. There are some objective type. First, student should not get any kind of confusion, because in this paper, for example, if we take, and before I want to continue, the most important point I want to say is, if you want to know the details of Maharashtra 10th Geography question paper May 2021, important, in the description below of this video you can find the information. In the description below of this video you can find the information. You can check the details. Check the details perfectly in the description below of this video. Now, let us discuss some of the important objective type options. Select the correct option and rewrite the sentence. Select the correct option and rewrite the sentence. What is the first one? The risk of flooding in Indian peninsular rivers is less because these rivers are seasonal. First option. These rivers are perennial. Second one. The discharge of the rivers is not dependent. This is one of the objective type. You have to correct the option. You have to choose an option. There are 4 bits will be given. In those 4 bits, you have to choose the perfect and the correct option and rewrite that particular sentence. You have to rewrite the sentence. Whatever the sentence is there, you have to rewrite. The risk of the flooding in Indian peninsular rivers is less because these rivers are seasonal or these rivers are perennial. The discharge of the rivers are not dependent, like the students understand. Now, the second one is state the following true or false. State the following true or false. Whether the following statement is the true or false, you have to say. You have to find it out the information. In India, temperatures increases from north to south. Is it true or false? Is the statement? The statement is given. That particular statement is true or false, you have to mention in the examination. That's why students should not get any kind of tensions. Students should get relaxed. Especially in geography paper or in any paper, especially in objective options, objective bits, students should not get any confusion. You must get relaxed by taking the final exam, board exam paper. After watching, you have to relax your mind and read the paper once, read the objective questions and think about whether it is correct or not. First, whether this statement is true or whether this statement is false. Like the student should be able to understand. Now here true or false. Statement, you have to know the statement whether it is true or false. In India, temperatures increases from north to south. The temperature increases from north to south. Whether it is true or not, or the temperature increases from south to north, you have to mention correctly in a correct way. Next, fill the following in the given outline map. Fill the following in the given outline map and prepare the index. This is very, very important. One of the important options. Fill the following in the given outline map and prepare the index. Roraima state, first option. Brasilia, the equator, second option. Like that, you have to prepare one of the important. You have to prepare a map, outline map. You have to prepare an outline map for the given one, and you have to also ready with the perfectly prepare the index also. First one is Roraima state. Second one is Brasilia, the equator. So like this is one of the important questions in the geography question paper May 2021 of Maharashtra 10th class. And especially if you want to know the details, more details, the objective questions, the essay questions, or the high weightage of marks questions. If you want to know more information regarding geography paper of 10th class for May 2021, in the description below of this video you can find the information. Check the details so that you can get an idea how to prepare well in the public exams. Very, very important to each and every student. Especially students need to concentrate well on the objective type. Relax your mind, prepare well. Definitely you can get an idea. Yes, these questions we need to prepare. This objective types, whether it is the statements true or false, outline map preparation, preparing an index, correct option given the whatever the sentence has been given, you have to rewrite that particular sentence. So this is the way you need to do it. This is the way you need to prepare so that the students get a very good marks in the public exams, because understanding the concept, understanding, practicing, understanding the lesson, chapter, whatever the topics you are prepared in the geography, definitely you can get a good marks. By practicing, understanding, getting relaxing your mind is very, very good. So finally, if you like my video, please try to subscribe my channel and click on bell icon so that you will get my updated next videos. Once again, I am going to say is Maharashtra 10th Geography question paper May 2021. Important, you can find in the description below of this video. Unless you can check the details perfectly regarding the objective, the rewrite sentence, whatever the following outline map, how to prepare the outline map, whether the given statement is true or false. Thank you so much.